So hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to come on y'all and show you guys some baby gifts that I'm doing for Christmas. Of course, I've been getting a demand or request for baby items. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to try to do about 5 boys, 5 girls baby gifts, and that's going to be all that I'm going to do. Besides the other, ones that I'm doing, but I want these specifically to be for babies, to kind of, resolve that request that I've been getting. So, I'm going to do 10 baby gifts. So I'm going to show you what I'm doing. So I went to Dollar Tree and, I found some of these bags. They just say baby. I didn't want a welcome baby, none of that. I just wanted some little baby bags, just something simple, that I could use, for, baby gifts. I had a little harder time finding boys, because I didn't want anything with glitter and sparkles. So with this one, I'm going to use this side because this is more, looks like a boy. Same thing with this one. I used this side instead of this side because of the sparkle. I don't want that, because I'm trying to make it a boy gift. So this is what I'm doing. So I have these boxes that I purchased from Amazon. These are 10 by 8 by 5 boxes. And I am going to stuff these bags with these boxes. Y'all hold on. Let me take this little thing off. I'm stuffing these bags with these boxes. And then I'm using the little tip that Shant gave us. Let me see if this box is going to fit in this bag, y'all. It's kind of trying to give me a little trouble. Uh-oh. Let me try this one. Y'all. The other one fit in there just fine. Y'all know when we get on camera, we want to start acting out. So let me see if this one's going to fit in here a little bit better. I don't want it to rip the bag, but I do want it to fit snug in the bag. And the other one fit in there just perfect. It's this user error, y'all. I was putting it in there slanted. So let me get this down in here, straight down. Okay, so it fits down in here, you guys, but as y'all can see, it kind of has a little lap right here. So I kind of used a little tip that Shant gave us about using these extra cardboards. So I'm going to get these extra cardboards and put them over here on the side of my box. And I think I'm going to have to cut this down just a little bit more. Let me see. Yeah, let me cut this down just a little bit more, just so it'll fit. All right, so let's get our tool and put that board down there on the side, because I'm trying to eliminate that little thing there. And what I ended up doing for the last one, you guys, there was a little more room left in it than these, and I put a little of the cello, the little old cello that we have left over, pieces. Hold on, y'all, let me grab some of the little cello pieces. I got scrap pieces of cellophane and shrink wrap. I just basically pulled some of it. I'm sorry for the noise. Look at the piece and cut it off. If I can get it down in here, I might not be able to get it down in here. Let me see. I'm going to stick it in there first and then put that in there. Let's try that. I don't need it. I don't need the side. Look like I can just put that down there. So let me try that again on the other side. So y'all see how it smoothed that little part down there out? And that's what I wanted to do. I wanted to smooth that out. I don't want the little lumps down there in the side. So I might not have to use the boards in this one. But on the other one, this one right here was a little bit bigger than this bag. So I had to stuff the little cello down in the side and then put the cardboard on the outside to smooth it out. So I'm going to do that. Put the solo on this side, way down at the bottom, to kind of smooth that little part out. I'm going to use this to push it down. Look at this board. Put that in there. All right. So it looks pretty good. It still has a little of a lump, but I don't think it's bad enough to care. It's really not bad enough to carry, y'all, to be honest. I think I'm being extra. And I think once it shrinks, y'all, it's not going to smush in. So that's really what I wanted. Well, anyway, that's that. I cut this blue in half. I put half of it in that box, and I'm going to put half of it in this box right here. And I am going to put this on here, y'all. And we are going to fill our bags, okay? Let me see. I want it to be on this side because this is the side that don't have the glitter. And I am going to put this board in the back to give me some foundation. So let's do this one first, since I already have started on it. So y'all, for this one, I have some of these little blankets right here. These blankets, I got these a while back from Dollar General. Several clearance events ago. I don't know how many ago, but anyway, I got these. I got 2 boys and 2 girls little blankets, and these are some activity blankets, as you guys can see. So I'm going to use that in the back of my little gift, and this is for 0 months and up. Okay. I just got some of these. Whoop, yeah, I'm throwing them. Hold on. I just got some of these from Walmart. These are, I got probably like 5 boys and 5 girls of these little telephones. They're 6 months to 36 months. We're going to use this little guy right here. I have some of these little, what are these? Come on now. Wipes, cases. I couldn't even think. We're going to put that in there as well. And I got those in like 2 packs from Family Dollar a while back. I just got some of these. These came from Walmart. These are, it says, I love being me. If you can see that around the thing. And these came from Walmart. I'm going to put this in here. And I'm going to flip this down because I don't want it to cover the wipes case. I have some of these little, and I'm probably going to have to go back to the store, y'all, and get some more of these little teething rings because I don't have many of those. I have some of the character ones, but I need some of the little plain ones to go in here to fill in my little space, right? So I'm going to put that in there. And then I also have some of these. These are some little sensory rattles. I got these from Walmart. I think I paid like 50 cents. I got like 2 cases of these. So I got like 10 or 15. I don't know how many of these. So I'm going to stick this in here as well. I'm going to scoop this guy a little over a little bit. And I'm going to put this little sensory rattle down in there. Let's see. I'm going to scoop it like that. Scoop that up. Get me a piece of tape. Put that in there like that. And y'all, that's it. So this is gonna be my little baby gift. Again, I'm gonna do just a handful of these just so that I can have some baby gifts. So y'all tell me what y'all think. So these little phones are regular $4 and something. These right here, let me see how much these were. I think I'm gonna put a book in there as well, y'all. I might put a book. Put a God is with me book. Let me see if I can get it in there. If I can, let's see. I can put it behind this little rattle. I always like to give them a little book. So you can't see it, but it is in there. And then I have a I Love Us book. I do have some other little different toys that I'm gonna put in some of the other ones, but it's just gonna be a little small little baby gift. These right here were regular. I don't know what the regular price on those were. Let me see if I have another one. Okay, here's the other one. Let's see. I paid $3.33 for them. They were this is what they were marked $7.50. I'm gonna have to wipe that out. So I'm thinking probably maybe like $15 for this thing. Since it was $7.50, it probably was $15. And then I paid 50% of that, which was $3.33. For the blanket. These little phones were $4.44. So that's already 20 bucks, y'all. What else? These right here, I think I paid like $2 for $1 for them, but I don't know how much they are. But of course, you can get them at the Dollar Tree for what, $1.25. These little books right here, and these are bath books. And I guess, y'all, I really don't need another book. I already got one book in here. I got these books. I don't know how much they were. I paid $1 for them. From Walmart. I'm not sure. So I'm going to say, I think they were $3. $2.96, I think is what it was. And then these were $1.25. And these were, I'm going to say maybe like $3 or something like that. So let's see. 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. So 26-ish dollars. So I'm thinking maybe what, like 35 bucks, y'all, maybe for this little gift. Y'all tell me what you think. Maybe 35 for this. And like I said, I'm gonna put some little shred in here, and that's gonna be the end of that. And some of them are gonna have like different things in them, because I do have some different little toys. I do have a couple sippy cups, and I do have some of these little phones in the girls as well. So I'm gonna do girl ones also. So like I said, I have 2 of these in the boys style, and I do have 2 girls. I do have, wait a minute, y'all, I got a couple of bibs and hats I might can stick in here. Let's see what I got. I got some of the little baby hats. I got some of the boy. Here's another girl hat. Here's some boy hats. And here's a boy bib. I guess I can stick this bib down here, y'all. Maybe right here. I'll stick that bib in there. Here's another hat. Another bib. So yeah, we're going to give this little boy a bib. In one of these, I may put this little sleeper, y'all. I'm going to use all this baby stuff, y'all. So we're going to do several different ones. But anyway, I just wanted to bring y'all in and see the first one that I am doing. Again, like I said, I'm going to do another boy one in this one right here. It's going to have kind of the same kind of things in there. And I'm going to clip that little, I guess I could have clipped this off. I'll go ahead and clip it off. Oh, and y'all, what I did do too for that was to make it stand up. I did get me a piece of cardboard, and I'm looking for it. I got a piece of cardboard and stuck it in here to make it firm so that it would stand up. Because it was, trying to lean on me. So I did get a piece of cardboard just to kind of stiffen it up on the inside. Y'all, all these little cardboard pieces y'all see me saving, honey, these babies come in handy for real, for real. So, yeah. So that's, I know you be like, y'all, Rachel, can you please move some of this cardboard? But honey, this cardboard come in handy for real, for real. So anyway, y'all, I just wanted to come on and show y'all that. I may put this little cup in here. I know this little phone is gonna go in here. Here's my other blue phone. I don't know. Anyway, I didn't want to try to make this one on camera. I just wanted to show you guys kind of what I was doing. I'm going to tape this to this. And I'm going to wrap this bad boy up. And it's going to be the end, y'all. But like I said, I'm going to probably do... I know I'm going to do 2 just like this. And then since I only have 2 of the blankets like this, the other ones are going to be a little bit different. And then I'm going to go from there. If initially I thought I was just going to wrap these boxes, but I was like, nah, I don't want to take the time to wrap the boxes. I want to get it, you know, quick. So that's the reason why I went ahead and just used the boxes in the bags just to kind of give me a quick gift instead of trying to put some wrap some boxes. So anyway, y'all, thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And if nobody has told you today, you are loved, you are enough, and we are all treasures in our daddy's treasure chest. See y'all later. Bye, y'all.